Hey, hey, I'll tell you something right now. We have a family and we have some animals on that farm. Let me tell you a little thing. We can take those goats, them hogs, or I'll tell you even one better. We can bring that cow home and make some dinner. But I'll tell you something now. If you take a billy goat and what they call a female goat, a nana, well, I'll tell you what, you take that goat and make a pair. I'll tell you what, there comes the milk even from the cows, but the bacon comes from the pig. And what a way to bring a meal to the dinner table for the youngsters to see and have a good dinner time. Tell me if you won't come to my dinner, if I'm gonna have me some cow or hog, or maybe a billy goat. But you never know what kind of animal we're gonna eat today. 'Cause I'll tell you what, there's always room for the glass of milk that comes from the mama and the rolls.